whether it's the CIA or the Ochrana, maybe that's what the president of the United States sees when they show up to office, is all this stuff they have on him or her, and say that there's a internal mechanism of power that you don't want to mess with, and so you will listen. Whether that internal mechanism of power is the military-industrial complex or whatever, the bureaucracy of government.
Conduct of the deep state.
The
entrenched bureaucratic. Well, it's been said, and I think it's generally true, that bureaucratic creatures are like any other creatures. It basically exists to perpetuate itself and to grow. I mean, nobody wants to go out of business. And of course, you get all of these, things like Pizzagate and accusations of one form or another. But here's an interesting thing to consider. Okay, and I want to argue that I'm not saying that Pizzagate in any way was real or QAnon had anything, but where do they get these ideas from? So let's ask ourselves, do pedophiles exist? Yeah. Do organized pedophile organizations exist? Yeah, they share information, pictures, they're out there on the dark web. They cooperate. So, does child trafficking exist? Yeah, it does. So, in other words, whether or not specific conspiracy theories about this or that group of organized pedophile cultists is real, all the ingredients for that to be real are there. Pedophiles exist. Organized pedophilia exists. Child and human trafficking exists. At some point, at some time, someone will put all of those together. In fact, certainly, they already have.